That was useless, I feel sick. Is that it?
Killer.
No mate, that is not a killer, I feel sick.
Push your fist. Yes, killer! Superman! Yeah, I got whatever you mate, I'm fine. What did you get? 8?
Come on, Nate. Come on, Nathan. Come on, Nathan.
What do you say like that for? Because I felt like it. Because it hurts my wrist too much.
What's that?
Come on, Jamie, you'll have the last thing.
Get a run up, Dave.
That was useless. Oh, fist on through.
That was shit. How about saying last time? You'll go. You got boxing gun. You'll get 900. You'll go. Watch it.
Oh, off the chart, off the chart.
He'll get mad. He'll get mad.
What's that, Daddy? What's that?
Standing still, look watch. Watch this.
It's got to be 900 at least. You get more than that.
Let him go, let him go.
Yeah,
let him go,
mate.
I got paid then.
No, I don't.
Probably left handed, isn't he? So cool.
Dave, do you want to go? Dave, come on, Dave. Dave, come on. Come on, Dave. Yeah. And again, Dave. Dave. And Dave. Dorsey, come on, Dawes.
No, let Dave go.
You don't want 50 cents when you go halves.
No, that's useless.